Anastasia, you did me dirty on this one. I will not forget. I will forgive you though, but I will not forget. I'm done. Bye. Hello there, welcome back. Today I have another lipstick swatches on my lips. What? In today's video I'm going to try out the one and only Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks. Never tried their formula before, any of their formula, and I'm excited for this one because we all know Anastasia is that bitch, you know. And I just saw that these are all mattes, like I didn't know that. It says matte lipstick set. I paid like 17-ish euro on Beauty Bay. This was on sale because normally this is like 30 euros. Expensive, I know. So as I said, I am excited. Never tried their formula before, and I guess that's it for this long intro. If you guys want to see how they look on my lips, how they look on my skin tone, probably how they perform on my lips, anyway, just keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to show you how they look and then I'm going to apply them on my lips. I do have some lip pencil on. I'm going to wipe that off in a second, but this is how they look. They are mini lipsticks, so cute, so tiny. The packaging is so beautiful, like, you know, Anastasia packaging is stunning. And this is how they look. As I was saying, they are mini lipsticks, very beautiful colors. I'm going to show you this one. This is in the shade Guava Matte Lipstick. Guava probably is the shade. And this is how it looks. What? So beautiful. Looks like it has a little bit of shine on it, but it says that it's matte. I don't know. I'm going to... They don't smell. I'm going to wipe off my lips and be right back. Okay, so I'm going to apply the lipstick, and then with this pencil I'm going to perfect the edges. We all know that I am bad at applying lipsticks without a lip liner. I still have a little bit left here. It's okay. It's okay, okay? So I guess I'm going to start with the one that I just mentioned. This is the Guava Matte Lipstick, and it looks like this. Very pretty. This is how much we have inside. Beautiful. As I was saying, I see a little bit of shine on it, but I'm guessing that it's just on the bullet. I don't know. We shall see. Excited. As I was saying, they don't smell, like they don't have a scent. Excited. Oh, are you sure this is matte? Because I see the shine on my lips. What? Like I'm crazy or what? It's just me. Can you see the shine? What the? Like, it's coming from within. See what I'm talking about? It's not just on top of the bullet. Wait a second. Are you matte or not? Like it says here, Guava Matte Lipstick. Am I crazy? They're supposed to have, it says a full pigment lip color with a smooth ultra matte finish. So I'm seeing the swatches here on the box, and Guava and Leaky have some shine. Rise and shine. Sparkle. I don't know if the camera will pick that. Oh yeah, you can see that Leaky has some shine or sparkle, and also Guava. So how is this completely matte? How is this, yeah, ultra matte finish when you put shine on it? in it. I'm sorry, in it. Alright, so I guess this is how guava looks. I'm not a fan. Let me apply some more. You can feel the glitters, shine, whatever that is. You can feel them like when you apply the lipstick. The color is pretty, but I don't like this shine. Like, what? No. I don't see the ultra pigment. I don't know what they're talking about. Anyway, this is how guava looks on my lips. Not a fan. Like, I can see the color on my makeup wipe, but man, that's a lot of shine, glitter, whatever this is. Alright, you can still see a little bit of rise and shine, sparkle. But moving on, I'm going to try the other sparkly one at the end, and I think is this one. Leak. I really hate that they did this. Like, if you say that this is matte, let it be matte. Don't add shine. Anyway, so I'm going to try out Orange Blossom, and it's this one right here. Wow, this is pretty. No, this is beautiful actually. My type of nude. And I'm seeing just a hint of, it's not crazy shiny like this one, but I see like a hint of shimmers in there, and I really hope this is completely matte. Okay, let's see. Oh, this feels creamier. Wow, this feels so creamy and call me crazy, but this is not completely matte. Why? This feels way creamier than the first one. I really like the color, but again, I see shine, shimmers. What is this? Is this a matte lipstick or what? Alright, next I'm going to try Coconut, and let's see the color. Wow, I think this is the one that is completely matte. Okay, so beautiful. I don't see any shine, any shimmers. Alright, let's see. It feels very creamy, like the Orange Blossom, but this one feels a little bit more smooth, if that makes sense. I'm going to try to perfect this, but is this patchy? I'm just cleaning my brush now, so I'm going to try to. And this has like a slightly scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it's there. The scent is there. It doesn't smell like old lipsticks, but it has a scent. This feels very smooth, very creamy, but it's just me, or this looks patchy, like for real. This looks patchy. Let me apply some more. Oh my god, it's so smooth, so creamy. It glides on my lips like paradise. But the color is I don't know, a bit weird. As I said, it looks like I just eat dirt. With a lip liner, I think this will look beautiful. Like, it's cute, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, to me it looks a little bit patchy. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. This one so far is my favorite because it feels very smooth, very creamy. You can see there is no shine, there is no no shimmers. I'm going to kiss my hand to see if this transfers, but I'm guessing it will transfer because it feels very creamy. It doesn't feel like a matte lipstick whatsoever. I think I don't know what a matte lipstick is supposed to be anymore because I'm using only liquid matte lipsticks, if that makes sense. And this is how it looks. Anyway, this is how it looks. It feels very nice on my lips. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Alright, and the last one we have is in the shade Leech. I don't know how to pronounce this. And again, we have a shimmery sparkly one, matte, shimmery sparkly matte. And this is how it looks. Very beautiful. The color is very beautiful. And let's see how this looks on my lips. As I was saying, the color is pretty, but I don't like the shine, the sparkle. I don't like it. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. If you guys are looking to buy some matte lipsticks, I suggest you to skip this one because as we can see, we have two glittery, shimmery ones. Then we have another one that is not that shimmery glittery, but you still get some shimmers when you apply that on the lips. And then we have only one completely matte lipstick, which is the coconut one, and it's my favorite from the set, like the only favorite from the set. If you like shimmers and glitters, girl, you do you. Who am I to tell you not to purchase this? It's just personal preferences here. I thought I'm reviewing slash first impression doing what? Anyway, I thought they are all matte lipsticks. Okay, so don't get me wrong. If you like shimmers, glitters, you do you, girl. I recommend you the Revolution Pro if you're looking into matte, not really matte, but without shimmers lipsticks, you know what I'm saying? I recommend you the lipstick collection from Revolution Pro, the nude collection or bare collection. The bare collection is absolutely bomb. The formula feels as creamy as the Anastasia, and I'm talking only about the matte one, the coconut shade. Like, this feels very smooth, very creamy, very beautiful on the lips, so they feel as creamy as the Anastasia. And also the price is you cannot beat 5 euros. 5 lipstick set, 5 euros or 7 euros, whatever. I think I saw this at Sephora in Romania and it was 29 euros. I had that thought in my mind to purchase there, but I said, you know what, I don't need this and I really don't need it. But I was on Beauty Bay and this was on sale and I said, you know what, that's a sign, I do need this. And I purchased it, and now I got disappointed because it's not what I thought it is. Like, it says matte lipstick set. I hope I'm not crazy, or I hope at least I make sense. But this is not matte. I love it that it's vegan and cruelty free, but don't lie to me, Anastasia. Don't lie to me. And also, I didn't saw a full pigment color. Okay? It's not full pigment color. Like, none of them. Not even the matte one. I hate this. I don't hate the product. I hate the fact that I don't like the product. As I was saying, I had high expectation from this one. Like, it's Anastasia Beverly Hills, for fuck's sake. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for my bad language. I'm sorry, but I had high expectation for this one. It says matte lipstick. Why you lie to me, Anastasia? I trust you and I love you, but don't lie to me. Don't do me dirty like this. I'm sorry, you guys. This video didn't came out as I expected. I thought they were something else, as I was saying. Anyway, let me know down below. Let me know down below that I'm not crazy. Please let me know. I know I'm not crazy, but I need you to confirm me that. To confirm confirm. Wow, sounds weird. Anyway, let me know down below that I'm not crazy, and also let me know what color you liked from the set. As I was saying, coconut is my favorite, even though it's not my favorite because it looked a little bit patchy on me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Didn't came out as I expected. Anyway, it is what it is, okay? Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Mwah. With glitters and shine, whatever.